kwento na naging pahayag ni Sofia sa kanyang Facebook. Ito'y hinggil sa nadinig nga niya or nakita na isang performance, pero hindi ito totoong tao. At ang masakit ay ang paggamit ng SB19 songs na 18 Ball na tila may binago lang pero yun na yun pa rin. Mula sa kanyang naging pahayag ni Sofia, now replacing human performances with AI-generated versions doesn't just disrespect artists, it sets a dangerous precedent. AI doesn't carry emotion, effort, or cultural nuance, and it open sidesteps royalty systems entirely. It teaches audiences and producers that creative labor is replaceable and that shortcuts are acceptable. For a show that has millions of viewers and influence, that's a troubling message for the industry. SB19 and Alamat deserve better. Filipino music deserve better. Real artists should be celebrated and properly compensated, not replaced by robotic imitations that ignore the value of human creativity. And some commenters have a simple solution. If it's Showtime wants to play with AI, why not use it on ABS-CBN's own artist songs instead? At yun na nga, tinumbok kung saan show ito napanood. Mula kay Sophia Ania, music is emotion, labor, talent, and culture. And no AI cover can replicate that. Shortcuts may be cheaper, but they're not better. SB19, Alamat, and all Filipino artists deserve respect, royalties, and acknowledgement for their work. The industry deserves better, and as viewers and fans, we have every right to call it out. At narito nga po ang ibinahagi ng isang post. Sabi niya, hindi lang pala 18 Ball ng SB19 official, pati Maharani ng at official Alamat AI cover yung ginamit sa Showtime. This needs to stop ASAP. Respeto sana sa artist na pinaghirapan at binuhusan ng oras, talento at puso ang mga kantang yan. Ano kaya ang masasabi sa pag-call out sa It's Showtime ng fans ng SB19? Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.